shaking happens at lower speeds or when you turn the wheel, it points to damaged mechanical parts under the car, worn suspension or steering components, ball joints, tie rods, or control arm bushings naturally wear out over time. When they become loose, the wheels have unwanted play, resulting in jittery steering. Bad wheel bearings, lack of lubrication or wear in your wheel bearings can cause friction and vibration, especially noticeable while cornering. If your steering wheel is shaking or feels overly loose, it is usually caused by unbalanced tires, worn suspension/steering components, or warped brake rotors. Common culprits include tire and wheel issues, unbalanced tires, bent wheels, or unevenly worn tires are the most frequent causes of high-speed steering wheel vibrations. Worn tie rods and ball joints, degraded steering and suspension components create play, causing the steering to feel loose, wiggly, or unresponsive. Warped brake rotors. If the steering wheel primarily shakes only when you press the brake pedal, your brake rotors are likely warped. Wheel alignment. Incorrect wheel alignment can cause the vehicle to pull and the steering wheel to vibrate. For a visual breakdown of how to identify whether the shake is caused by tire balance or suspension play. If your steering wheel shakes only at high speed, usually above 80 to 100 km per hour, the most common causes are wheel imbalance. The tires are not properly balanced. This is the most common cause. Have all wheels professionally balanced. Bent wheel rim. Hitting potholes or curbs can bend a rim, causing vibration at higher speeds. Uneven or worn tires. Check for tire bulges, flat spots, uneven tread wear, or damaged tires. Wheel alignment problems. Misalignment can cause vibration and uneven tire wear. Get a wheel alignment check. Loose or worn suspension parts, worn tie rods, ball joints, control arm bushings, or wheel bearings can make the steering shake. Brake rotor issues. If the steering shakes mainly while braking, warped brake rotors are a likely cause. What to do first? Check tire pressure. Inspect tires for damage or uneven wear. Have the wheels balanced. Perform wheel alignment. Inspect suspension and steering components. For most vehicles, wheel balancing and tire condition are responsible for high-speed steering vibration in the majority of cases. Dear followers, if you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments.
Thank you for watching.